樣4個答案揀個正確翻嚟咯，係嘛？呢啲咁咧會咧，但係首先咧要有㗎啦嚇，呢啲都唔會翻問㗎啦，因為個 written assignment 已經答咗咧嚇，咁樣唔會嚇。即係咧，即係 blood loss 啊、decrease 啊、BC production、increase destruction，因為 written assignment 運雙重咪好抵，攞兩次分，冇嘅啊，冇嘅，唔會啊。好，咁無論如何啦，都要知道咧啲 size、shape、colour 啊、concentration 啊呢啲啦，個 concept 嚟嘅嚇，因為幫我哋咧 MCQ 攞個正確答案嘅嚇。好啦，有個 activity intolerance 點幫佢啊？呢啲都係 written assignment 問過啦嚇。好啦，不過呢度咧 iron deficiency anemia 補充翻鐵質嘅喎，缺鐵啊嘛，補充翻咯，係嘛？喂，缺鐵嗰度咧，mark低佢啊，唔該你啊，mark低佢嚇。乜？喂，學生一部分啊，mark低咗啫，mark到滿晒又都 colourful， 但係都冇 study 嘅，冇 study 即係冇讀嘅，寫唔寫得出啊？冇讀啊！而家考試喎，係咪啊？即係咧寫落個單行紙嗰度㗎嘛，係嘛？有寫有分，冇寫冇分。喺呢度啊，譬如咧嗰個 iron supplement 嗰陣時候咧，點樣比法咧？即係佢補充翻鐵質啊，嗰啲鐵丸啦，或者係藥水都好啦，佢會染咗個牙齒咧 stain 個 dark brown colour。咦，咁個牙齒成排都啡咗，咁又係。不過如果食完咗一輪咧，就會拆翻去啊，攞翻去口咧就會白翻嘅邊向嚇。但係服用個期間咧有可能嘅嚇。咁可以咧就係咧喺呢度有啲要俾啦，舉個例啦 ，before meal 啦，要寫住嘅呢個咪就係 rationale for better absorption on empty stomach。嗱，我哋一齊睇清楚 ，take iron on empty stomach 呢個 action 嚟嘅。For to have better absorption on empty stomach 呢個就 reason rationale 即係成個有齊晒嘅好啦 ，take it with vitamin C rich food 呢個就係 action 啦，呢 instruction 嚟㗎嘛 ，health education。Orange juice to enhance absorption 就係幫助吸收嘅理由就係呢個都係幫助吸收啦。跟住咧就係咧唔好混合啲其他藥一齊食 ，to prevent interference。OK 嘛 of absorption。跟住expect to have darker colour of stool or some teeth stain which is harmless。OK， 講埋理由喎Eat food with high fibre 理由啦。To prevent iron-induced constipation， 食得多鐵質咧，有啲人唔食嘅喎，因為食咗咧3日都冇便秘啊，3日都冇去廁所啊咁樣。有啲唔食㗎，特登開電丸俾佢，拒絕。好臭嗰啲解釋俾佢聽啦，因為咧 iron deficiency anemia係嚴重嘅情況，你貧血啊但係咧食咗之後咧可以咧其他方式啦去處理個便 constipation 嘅情況啦。咁樣。諗邊一句啦？Prevent staining of the teeth with a